Welcome back, guys. Happy Sunday. By the way, did you guys clean up this week? Did you guys clean the house this weekend? Because that's exactly what I'm doing. So make sure you guys clean, because we like a house that smells good and look clean, okay? Anyway, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. We are back. Well, guys, for me, this week I was extremely tired. But I know things needed to get done, especially in my living room. It was a mess with Olivia's toys. Let's get in. We're gonna start by opening these windows. There was so many stuff lingering around, but I was like, you know what? Let me take a deep breath because we are gonna tackle this. Where most store Now, my living room. Olivia. Toys was all over the living room. And I was like, oh, this is her school bag. She liked to pack her toys in it. And she just feel like she needs to throw it anywhere and play with them. And once she's done, she leave it right here. So I guess who is going to have to clean it up? Me. Nobody else. Anyway, it's the weekend. We're cleaning up. So we're just going to get everything into place. Pack away. Put away. Dust. Let the house just feel hairy, have breeze, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're doing. And once I'm done, I'm gonna feel so much energized and so much better. When my house is dirty and tired, that plays with me, okay? So once it is clean, I feel like a task is done, then I'm gonna feel so much better. Now, I don't know why the front of my couch was looking dirty on camera. I went and checked and I didn't see anything. So, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know why it looks like this. It just seemed like, somebody rubbed probably dirt right at the edge. So I really don't know. Anyway, we're going to straighten our couch because sometimes the kids do sit in it, sometimes Shane lean in it, and I hate to see my pillows looking sleepy, looking dead. They have to stay firm, stand up. So this is a big thing for me. I have to ensure that my couch, I go through it probably every day, fix the pillows, straighten anything that needs to straighten. That's a big thing, okay? The couch, yup. We're gonna have to fix it. It's gonna look so much better. And also too, if you have a clean house and you have pillows in your chairs and everything and it just look dead, what's gonna happen? It just look like somebody just sitting in it. The house should always look presentable. That's just my opinion. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the black legs on the new chairs? Love it. I wasn't going for black, but it turned out to be black. I guess ebony's black, and I absolutely love it. It looks good on the gray, complements it, works perfect with everything that's going on in the home. So leave your opinion, let me know about that. But I personally, I like it more. Like I said, the video was more so of me dusting, and I cleaned the bathrooms the day before, so just really wanted to dust and clean mirrors and stuff like that. That's the only thing, you know, we're gonna tackle. If there's anything that needs to straighten, we're gonna do that as well. So nothing big to change around, just kind of dust. And I do this every single month, once per month. Well, my cleaning lady, she wasn't here. My sister did the cleaning before she left. The side tables in the living room needed to be dusted as well. The books needed to wipe off. And this little area with the 2 mirrors, I also need to move the stuff and clean it off. So I didn't really change anything. I put the same things in the same place, and then you guys will see this little accent piece that I have, the bronze looking thing. I added it to the coffee table and I love it. The house was mopped the day before when I cleaned the bathroom, so basically only thing needed to be done was to mop the carpets in and around the house, which Janae always, that's her chore, where she vacuum upstairs because we have carpet upstairs. I did my bedroom, so the only place needed to vacuum because Olivia was playing here was the carpet in the living room and the one in the kitchen. Real simple. I did take some rest and nighttime came. Now it's time for us to do self-care, which includes taking a shower and just relaxing for the rest of the night. So we're just gonna get in, go in the shower, make sure my water is warm. I love to take a shower. Okay, I love this. It makes me feel so much different in the evening after I'm finished working or cleaning up. Can you guys believe Olivia was not sleeping? I had some work to check and then read my books, but this child was not sleeping. So I'm just gonna lotion my skin, oil my skin, get dressed for bed. Really simple going to bed tonight because I was extremely tired. But baby Olivia, she slept earlier and she didn't want to sleep. Okay, so we just finished, chill for a minute, and then go read my books while she was watching her iPad. And then just, you know, kind of slowly take the night down. Does that even make sense? I slowly take the night down. Guys, please check my Amazon storefront for the books. I think it's under either books or motivational books, something like that. There's 2 books in that category, so you guys can read whichever book you like. I think the pinkish color one, that's the one that has a prayer after you read each day. So most people, that's the one I post on my Instagram. Most people will go for that one, but you guys can check it, and you guys can also check my like to know. Over on like to know, we're posting now, so if you see something that I wear or something in my house, the link will be there, and the way I style it will also be there, so you guys can get idea. And yeah, I'll link everything that I can link on my like to know, but I need you guys to follow. And once you buy from my link, it's no different. It's gonna lead you to whatever website. I just earn a commission from it, and I would appreciate you guys just using my like to know or my Amazon storefront. It's that simple. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really do appreciate you guys. I love the feedback you guys gave on last week's vlog as well, where we were chit-chatting and kind of venting in the car. Really do appreciate you guys. So many of you guys reached out and said it was motivational for them. They felt like, you know, was giving up and everything, and you know, just me there talking and everything, knowing that I have kids, businesses and stuff, they can't give up. So that's the strength that I get, especially from you guys. Apart from my kids, I get my strength from you guys too. So hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Leave your opinion. Always know God is love. It's time for me to go and rest. I gotta get my rest, and I'll see you guys next week. Oh, remember to pray. Mwah.